Good morning, this is Mateusz, and today I am going to show you our flagship product, which has won the hearts of our business partners during Light Fair in Warsaw in February 2020. And this is our LUNAR ceiling light. It is an ideal solution for the illumination of passageways and entrances in hotels, offices or schools. It is an ideal solution for multi-family buildings, various types of warehouses or private buildings, any place where we need access to a luminaire with a built-in motion sensor in order to avoid looking for the switches, but to automatically light up our passageway or entrance or the space in which we are currently residing. This is an ideal solution for the illumination of restrooms in public places as well, but I will come back to this later in due course during this video. When designing this product, we have taken into account the feedback of our business partners and all the important features in order to create a solution for the most demanding customers. And therefore we have created two options, 16 watt and 22 watt luminaire. The 16 watt luminaire has a diameter of 265 millimeters, whereas the 22 watt luminaire has a diameter of 300 millimeters. Both luminaires come with a motion sensor and without a motion sensor. So in consequence, we've got 4 different models in our offer. When making a lighting design, it's important to take into consideration various factors. And here at Ledin, we can provide you with an additional service of lighting design. So we can make a dialux calculation for you and can advise you on the number of required luminaires for particular project, depending on the height of the space in which the luminaire is to be installed, depending on the required area for the illumination, uniformity of light, etc. So you can contact your account manager and we will provide you with this additional dialux service. What distinguishes our ledline lunar ceiling light from other conventional ceiling lights is that we have designed the panel in a way to ensure that the control switches are placed outside the luminaire. So therefore, after installation, you don't have to remove the whole luminaire from the ceiling or the light or the wall in order to change the settings. You can easily change the settings whilst the luminaire is installed on a wall or a ceiling. Moreover, we always recommend to install the plafond with the control knobs facing down. Okay, this is to make it easy for you to readjust the settings once the luminaire has been installed. So the knobs are quite small, but all you need to change the settings is a screwdriver. Okay, the knobs are quite small, so I will use the board in order to show you different knobs that this luminaire is equipped with. So let's start with the lux control switch. As the name indicates, this control switch serves for us to set the required daylight level. So we can choose from free lux, which is very dark, to full sunlight. So in consequence, the luminaire would be switched on for the whole duration of the day. Also, we've got the sense knob, so we use it in order to set sensitivity of the detector, and we've got the minimum value is 4 meters, whereas the maximum value is 16 meters range. The time, so we choose how long the luminaire should remain switched on. Okay, so we've got from 10 seconds after no movement is detected up to 12 minutes. And most importantly, this luminaire is equipped with unconventional function, which is a standby mode. What does it mean? Well, it means that after movement is detected, the luminaire will switch on. But then if we decide for any reason to stop moving, or we are not physically active for a certain period of time, this is the option to set that the luminaire will not switch off completely. It will just dim the light to 20%. And we can use or set the standby mode from 0 seconds to infinity. Therefore, that means that we can prevent the luminaire from switching off completely. The standby mode is particularly useful for the restrooms, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video, but we will return this in a few moments. So let me demonstrate to you how the standby function and 20% dimming works. So basically we switch on the light. So we've got 100% at the moment, and the luminaire is being dimmed to 20%. Okay? So it doesn't switch off completely. Now, when movement is detected again, it switches on to 100% again. Another very important feature of this luminaire is very easy and quick assembly and disassembly. So namely, we've got a mounting rail just behind, just at the back of the panel. All we need is to press the two buttons at the side of the panel in order to remove the mounting frame. All we do is that we screw this mounting rail into the ceiling or the wall using 2 screws, okay? And once this is installed, we connect the wires with quick connectors to the mains electrical supply, and we then insert the panel onto the installation rail, like this. That was quite loud, sorry about this. So let's talk about the basic parameters of this luminaire. First of all, this is an IP65 protected luminaire. So very high degree of protection against ingress of dust or water. Number 6, IP65, so number 6 means that the luminaire is protected against the ingress of the finest or the smallest dust, whereas number 5 indicates that this luminaire can actually be protected, strongly protected against a water jet of 12.5 liters per minute from all sides of the luminaire. So IP65 protection, meaning that this can be installed in carpentry or any other industrial plants with increased dust and humidity level. IK10, very strong resistance to mechanical impact. So this is resistant to 20 joules mechanical impact. Very, very strong resistance, which makes it possible for us to use this luminaire in places where there is a very high risk of mechanical damage. So again, warehouses or any other industrial plants of high risk of damage. Moreover, this luminaire is equipped with a yellow flea polycarbonate diffuser, which is resistant to UV radiation, thanks to which this luminaire or the cover does not turn yellow. It keeps its white color and aesthetic appearance for many years, and we provide 5 years warranty for this product. If you require more information, you can contact your account manager, and we will be very happy to assist you as best as we can. Thank you very much for watching.